Alright, so I'm off to LA. Here's my bag. Let's see what I got. It's kind of hard to do with one hand here. So I got my Sony A7CII, got my little dust blaster, got an 85mm 1.8 Sony. I have a 11mm TT Artisan fish eye. This one's kind of cool. Might do some landscape stuff with this. Creative stuff. And then I got my 40mm 42.5 Sony G. And I got like a little stick thing for my GoPro, or actually my DJI Action 5, and a little tripod for it. So that should be fun. And I also have, hold on, let me turn you around, chest mount for my GoPro, so you guys can see my shots while I'm out there and get the first person view. Should be fun. Okay, so I found a parking garage in LA, and I always like to try different parking garages because if you go up to the roof, you can kind of get some good views sometimes. Now this one, I asked the guy when I paid for parking, I was like, is there any good views up there? And he said, nah, it's all right. And yeah, he was right. It's kind of exactly how I feel about this view. Let's try a different lens here. I just really want to try this 11mm fisheye. It's kind of hard to use, to be honest with you. So we're gonna make the aperture at 8. It's all manual, so you really have to pick exactly what you want. Let's try something like this. Oh man, that is a lot wider than I thought. Kind of get my truck in the photo. Let's see how it looks without the light. See, that kind of looks cool. I like that. Let's make sure we drop a pin here. Okay, let's see. There's got to be an elevator here. This is a cool little sketchy. Nope, it's not the elevator. So one of the things about walking around, taking photos, filming yourself, is that people are gonna look at you funny because you got all this gear. I got a camera strapped to my chest right now, and I got another camera in my hand, and they're probably just wondering what the heck I'm doing, which is normal. This is also normal. It's a little disgusting. photo? Can I take it for free? Guess he didn't want a photo. This thing is pretty fast. I like this. Ooh, this is kind of cool. Hold on. Let me turn around. An alley. Kind of like this. People would not want to go. That's where I want to go. Look at that. What is that? As you can see, I'm kind of on like a architecture lookup vibe today. This just caught my eye for some reason. Let's try a little tighter shot, 24. I don't know, it's just interesting to me. You never know what's really gonna look good. Sometimes. Okay, so I got the 85 now. This is gonna be a little more challenging for me. If you guys ever watched Jason Vong, he loves the 85 for landscape and I think street photography. And I think Professor Hines does as well. If you guys have ever watched them, they're great YouTubers and photographers, but I always struggle with it.
try that. So I want the top corner of the building to be centered on my rule of thirds line, but then I want to see the whole edge of the building as well. That makes sense. So I'm just going further and further back, trying to get it, and I need kind of a low angle. I think that's it. See the whole building. This is so cool. Get the light too. Cool. Oh God, I can't get my camera to cooperate right now.
Okay, so this shot you're about to see right here, I'm really disappointed about because it came out blurry, first of all, but second of all, I just feel like there was a really cool shot there with the interesting scene, and I don't know if I took my time enough to capture what I wanted. So always remember, take your time.
That ride cost me $24. That's kind of ridiculous. Want me get? Is there a store right here? I'll get you a snack or something. Right there.
Actually, over here too.
Which one?
So I normally turn most people down asking me to buy them food or something, but for some reason I just felt nice today. And I know that buying this guy a snack and a drink is just a drop in the bucket to his situation. And if you tried to buy food for every homeless person in LA, you'd definitely go broke. But, you know, sometimes it's good to be nice.
Hello.
So guys, unfortunately, I forgot to bring my SD card for my Osmo Action 5, and I ran out of recording length, which is actually one of the good things about this camera is that you have internal storage. It's like 48 gigabytes, which isn't a lot, but it allowed me to get all of that chest mount footage that you saw on the video today. So unfortunately, you're not going to get to see that guy's reaction. He was very thankful when I brought him back the snacks. He thanked me a million times. And I guess for the rest of the video, I'm just going to kind of show you out with the rest of the photos that I took on that day. And I'm thinking of doing a series on these kind of like city photo days. And I think I'll do Long Beach next, maybe San Diego, just the closest ones to me. But if you guys like it, let me know. Let me know what city I should go to, and let me know what photo was your favorite photo that I got. I'd really appreciate the feedback. Thanks, guys.